Hello Earth, hello beautiful souls. Welcome back to May's Tarot Healing Second, and this reading will be for our beautiful cancers. So what we have here is your reading or yearly reading of your 2024 cancer. So please take note that just take whatever it is that resonates with you guys, and just take whatever it is that resonates, and please leave if it doesn't. So you can check your moon, sun, and rising to check out whatever video that I have. You can watch it as well. Maybe that will resonate with you if this reading doesn't. So yeah, I hope it resonates with you as well. So yeah, thank you so much. So don't hold against me this reading, okay guys? Just leave it is if not resonated with you. This is a general reading, okay? It could be your energy, it could be not. So yeah, let's just deal with it and just have fun. Have your messages here pulled out. So there you go, guys. So what we have here, Cancer, we have your first month of Six of Swords. Six of Swords, Cancer. We have the Six of Swords here. Okay. We have the Six of Swords, Cancer. So this represents me like the moment I touch this card, I can see that there's people talking behind your back, Cancer. Yeah, Cancer. There are people talking behind your back, and like you, I don't like it. The energy I'm getting for this card is like whenever you do your stuff, Cancer, there are people talking behind your back. They're betraying. There's betrayal. I can feel on the first month of 2024, which is January, Cancer. So please, there will be also a broken friendship or trust in the first year of your 2024, Cancer. So be aware that there are people's who's talking behind your back. Okay? Pero don't worry, Cancer, you are guided, okay? So hindi naman ibibigay sa nung ni God or ng universe yung mga bagay na ganito. They're gonna protect you from these people. Okay? Oh, there are two people you can trust. I felt like you're already talking to them, but they know that people are talking about you, Cancer. So there's two people that you can trust, really close to you, and they sorry na blanco. Tong taon to parang hahatakin ka sa makakabuti sa'yo. Dalawa to tao na to. Hindi ko lang ma-sense kung babae or lalaki, but isa dito is lalaki. I don't know the other one. But yeah, be aware on your first month, okay? So next month, February, we have a Knight of Swords. Pwede ka mag-travel by February, Cancer. Or pwede kang pumasyal sa lugar. Province to eh. Province. Parang province to. Parang medyo malamig dito sa lugar na to. Pero nasa Pilipinas lang, Cancer. Pwede kang pumasyal sa ibang lugar, pero within lang sa Pilipinas. Medyo malamig dito. Pwedeng Tagaytay, Baguio, whatever it is. Pero malamig dito, guys. Okay? Medyo gusto mo magmuni-muni, no? Parang ayaw mo munang makatanggap ng kung ano-ano sa ibang tao. Kasi malalaman mo nga na may nagbe-betray sa'yo, guys. So, parang gusto mo munang isettle yung mind mo. Okay? So, kaya ka aalis. By the month of March, time for you to deal with this stuff. Okay? Parang haharapin mo na yung mga bagay na hindi mo gusto. Magiging tough ka na sa decision mo or sa words mo. Papanindigan mo na kung anong sabihin mo. sa ibang tao. Kasi hindi pwede na parang, okay, gagawin nyo to sa akin, hindi pwedeng ganun. So, yun yung mangyayari after ng vacation mo by February, Cancer. So, nakikita ko na magiging ano kayo parang go back up, like, mas ano kayo, mas seryoso kayo, and mas susulitin. Anong tawag dun? Mas aanuhin nyo yung mga taong papapasukin nyo sa life nyo. Ano yun? Susuriin. Ano na, friend? Susulitin, guys. Susulitin ba? Okay? Susulitin nyo yung mga taong, hindi, susuriin. Susuriin. Okay? Right. Huwag kang tumawa dyan natin. Bangag ako, te. Bangag. So, ayun, susuriin nyo masyado yung mga tao. Parang lalabas nyo yung good, ano nyo, sa judgment. Okay? And then, February, March. So, April, ayan. Pwede kayong lumipat, no, guys? Pwede kayong lumipat, Cancer. Pwede kayong lumipat or pumunta sa ibang lugar. Yung iba sa inyo pwede mag-abroad. Basta may lilipat, may aalis sa lugar ko nasan sila ngayon. May mga plano umalis ng bansa. May mga plano na basta pinapakita sa akin lipat Lipat. Mag-e-explore kayo Pero may nakikita akong mountains dito. Pero parang ibang bansa talaga to. Oo. Parang ibang bansa to. Kasi may yellow dun sa mountains. So, pwedeng mag-travel Japan. Okay? So, ayun. Parang Japan kasi. Tapos may flower na gano'n. Yung parang sakura. Saan ba? Yung sikat na flower sa Japan. Tapos nakikita ko dito parang may yellow yung ano. Pero Japan yung nakikita na ano ko. Pwede kayo mag-travel doon. Some of you guys, kung sino man ang kaya. Alright? Shala naman for the Japan naman ang ating Cancer. Pero if hindi, sa inyo guys, meron mga lilipat ng tirahan, may lilipat ng lugar, basta lilipat, usapang lipatan for the month of April. Ace of Cups. So, this is your Ace of Cups. Sorry guys, medyo na blanco ako. May naalala lang ako. So guys, pwede kayong mag-isip ng ano, no? Pwede kayong mag-isip sa mga pinaghirapan nyo. Sa mga past memories or past experience na nahirapan kayo, guys. Uulan ng ano, emotion dito for the month of February, March, April, May. For the month of May, uulan ng grasya. Grasya! Hindi, uulan. Basta may uulan. Emotion, guys. Emotion. Sa emotion to. Parang gusto nyo yung ginagawa nyo. Magiging happy kayo sa decision nyo. Alright? Yun yung nafe-feel ko. Ayan o. Then, January, February, March, April, May, June. Sa June nyo, guys, we have the Seven of Pentacles. Feeling ko talaga, guys, meron talagang titira sa province, no? Kasi may magtatanim may magpo-farm. So, guys, if nagpaplano kayo, meron kayong kikitain sa ganong setup. Kung gusto nyo mag-farm, or kung gusto nyo like parang, ano ba, magtanim, or parang regarding sa plants, guys, okay naman. Sa June, pwede kayong magganon sa June. Kasi kikita kayo Pwedeng mga mangga to, yung mga fruits. Pero may itatanim kayo, guys, na kikita kayo ng pera. Pwedeng experience, pwedeng karma, pwedeng ano. Basta kikita kayo ng pera by June. It's another income. Okay? Ayan, Ayan. So, July nyo, guys. July nyo, guys, pwede kayong matali. Parang feeling stuck kayo sa sitwasyon na meron kayo, guys. Parang, ano ba? Matali ba? Parang pwede kayong matali sa sitwasyon na hindi nyo gusto. Okay? Pwede rin kayong cancer, pwede rin kayong parang feeling stuck sa sitwasyon or parang masyado kayong attached. Okay? Pwedeng ganon. Hello. Hoy guys, shall we sa inyo guys? What happened? Hi, shall we guys? Shall we? So, ayun, pwede kayong ma-stuck. Or, ingatan ha, maybe it could be a bisyo. Bisyo ba? Bisyo. Okay? Pwedeng bisyo to. So, ingatan nyo lang na ma-stuck kayo sa bisyo just because you guys are drained. Ha? Alright. Parang meron kayong bagay na hindi nyo kayang bitawan at cancer. May bagay kayo na hindi nyo kayang bitawan, cancer. Parang nakastuck kayo dito. Kasi grabe yung tali, oh. Nakatali siya. Nakatali siya, guys. Okay? So, oo, medyo may pagka-toxic yung energy nito by July, August. So, we have the Hierophant on August. Guys, I think you need time for yourself. Also, try to make prayers or try to talk to the universe, guides, angels, or God, kung ano man yung pinapaniwalaan nyo. Tanungin nyo lang kung ano ba talaga yung pwede nyo maging decision. Ano meron? Wow! Shall we guys, shall we? So, ayan, sunod-sunod kasi sila. So, ayun, pwedeng ganon. Pwede kayong parang kailangan nyo ng pahinga sa mind. Pahinga nyo sa thoughts nyo, guys. Kasi pwede kayong ma-down by the month of August. Ha? Cancer. Kasi ganito siya, parang talagang sincerely praying na. Parang, God, lead me. Gusto ko nang umalis sa gantong Uy, ano nangyayari? Ano nangyayari? Ano ba to? Ano ba yun? Digit ba to? Ano? Meron na naman akong nakikitang may kagagawa ng mga bagay-bagay. Daming nagjo-join. Oo, legit yan. Kaya nga, ano nangyayari? Nadidistract ako. Tao ba yung mga yan? Ay, tao. So, ayun, guys. The Hierophant, Cancer, ha? Try to go to church. Okay? Hi, shall we sa inyo, guys? Try to go to church, Cancer, or just talk to your angels, guides. Yung feeling ko magkakaroon kasi kayo sa banner yan, kaya dumami. Ano yung banner? Sorry, ate. Ano yung banner? Banner? Ngayon ko lang banner? Avatar ba yun? Ang layo. So, ayun, you need to pray, guys, okay? And, give your thoughts, give your sincere prayer to God. Ha? If hindi nyo na kaya. Pag hindi nyo na kaya, guys, mag-pray na lang kayo. So, ayun. Cancer, okay? That's your August. So, we have August, September. We have September here. 5 of Pentacles. Oh, I see now. Pwedeng pwede to maging pwedeng maging problema nyo, Cancer, for the August, September. So, pwedeng maging problema nyo, Cancer, is financial. Medyo kulangin yung financial nyo, Cancer, okay? So, pwedeng ganun yung mangyari. So, parang hindi kasi kayo makagalaw eh. Parang may mangyayari sa financial nyo, Cancer, at hindi kayo makakagalaw or hindi kayo, parang mahihirapan kayong kumilos kasi lack of money or financial. Parang iisipin nyo yung financial nyo, Cancer. Ha, ingatan nyo lang maglabas. So, from the first quarter and second quarter of your year, Cancer, please save. For the moment na magkaroon kayo ng other income, isave nyo muna. Huwag nyo munang anuhin. Kasi be ready lang. Kasi feeling ko mag-ano kayo ng pera eh. Medyo masyashort kayo sa budget. Ha? Cancer. Medyo masyashort kayo sa budget. Okay. That's your September, October. This is your October, Cancer. Alright. Wait lang. So, this is your October. So, October, Cancer, we have here the devil. Devil. It's not a bad sign. So, guys, yung devil natin is parang mirroring. Parang nawawalan kayo ng pag-asa by the October. 2024, October, guys. Ayun nga, kasi ma-short kayo sa budget nyo, no? So, parang mawawalan kayo, guys, ng pag-asa. Parang, ano ba? Parang mawawalan kayo ng pag-asa and then parang madadown kayo. So, mako-question nyo lahat tungkol sa mga desisyon nyo, tungkol sa mga pinaggagawa nyo, parang worth nyo ba, parang not enough ba, ganyan. Ganon yung mangyayari sa October nyo, Cancer. So, wag nyo, ganun lang talaga. Kasi once na nawalan tayo ng pera, guys, napapaisip talaga tayo. Pero, money is not everything, but it helps us to live well. Okay? So, ganun lang yon. So, wag nyo masyadong i-down yung sarili nyo. Just, take time na lang to think kung saan mo ba ginastos yung pera, kung worth it ba. So, maging ganun na lang yung mindset nyo, Cancer, for the rest of the year. Ha? Kasi you need balance then at the end of the year eh. O may paggagastusan kayo, Cancer, be careful lang, November. Be careful sa health nyo, Cancer. Pwede kayong magkasakit or something like that. May regarding sa hospital, magpapa-check up, magkasakit, something like that. So, ganun. Ganon, may mangyayaring ganon. And also, parang meron kayong magiging kaaway, Cancer. Tulad ng sabi ko sa inyo, for the first month of your 2024, there are people who's gonna betray you. Parang magpapakilala to. Magpapakilala to by the November. Ha? Magpapakilala to by November. Cancer. So, just be prepared lang. Ingatan yung health natin, Cancer. And also, magpa-check up kung may nararamdaman. Okay? Magpa-check up agad. Huwag nyong ignore. Okay? Huwag nyo i-ignore. Ayan. And last but not the least is your month of December. So, December, meron tayong 2 of Pentacles, which is more on making decision, balance, finances. Oo, kailangan nyo i-balance yung ano nyo, Cancer. Kailangan nyo i-balance yung financial nyo, decision making. You need to be really wise on your money. So, etong year nyo, no, parang mostly changing places, be wise with your money, Cancer. Also, may aalis, medyo nakatali. So, parang, laban lang, Cancer, kasi okay naman eh, magiging maayos naman yung taon nyo, but you need just to keep up lang. Huwag kayong magpadala masyado sa problema or sa mga bagay na hindi nyo gusto. Ha? So, may na-sense ako na may mag-a-appear na kaaway sa inyo eh. So, ayun. Meron kayong mag-a-appear na kaaway, guys. So, please be aware lang and be wise with your money. Ha? So, tingnan natin kung ano pa yung message sa inyo ng tarot. What is the message from your guides, spirit guides, or ancestor for the month for the year of 2024. Recovery, be assertive. You're ready. Oo. Parang most of your 20, bago matapos yung year na to, parang your journey, cancer is mostly on recovery. If you have question like answerable by yes or no, like the answer is yes. Okay? Oo, guys. Kasi i-ready kayo. Parang itong journey nyo, guys, for the month of for the year of 2024 is making you sure you recover and be ready for the things that is meant for you. Okay? Just all questions answered yes, yes, yes. If I'm gonna be abundant, if I'm gonna be married, gonna have kid, those positive questions you have right now or doubts right now, the answer is just yes, guys. Whatever it is which apply to that question, the answer is yes. And you're ready. This year is gonna help you be ready with a lot of things, Cancer. And please be assertive and also wise, financially wise. Okay, Cancer? Alright, so Cancer, thank you so much again for being here. I hope you like, subscribe, and share my video. And also, I want to know your experience here in my reading. If it resonates with you, that will be so good. But yeah, just leave it if it doesn't. And thank you again. I hope to see you in my next video. Bye! Mwah!